Today I'm going to show you how to make this infographic slide animation in just PowerPoint. Here I've already taken a blank slide. So first pick a top corners rounded rectangle and drag it over here. Now go to Format, click on Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Then I'm just resizing it from this side a bit. Now pick an oval shape, holding Ctrl Shift, place it in the exact middle of the previous one. Then select this two, go to Format, click on Merge Shape, select Subtract. Now change this color from Shape Fill and remove the outline from Shape Outline. After that, click on small arrow, go to Effect, under Shadow, change the color to black. Then set the transparency to 77%, size 107%, blur 10 point, angle 0 degree, distance 0 point. Now close it. Again, we need to pick a top corner rounded rectangle, drag it over here, resize it a bit. Now go to Format, click on Shape Fill, change the color, go to Shape Outline, make no outline. Then bring it over the previous one, right click on it and send it to back. Now we need to pick a text box, drag it over here, add some text, select all the text, change the font, increase the font size, change the color, make it bold and center. After that, holding Ctrl Shift, drag this text box to down and it will be duplicated. Then add a number, increase the font size, resizing this text box, I'm placing it in the exact middle. Now we need to select only these three elements from here and press Ctrl G to group them together. Then right click on it and send it to back. Again pick a text box, place it here, add some header text, then selecting the text, change the font, make it bold, center, change the color so that it matches with the previous shape. Place this text box a bit upward, make a copy of it. Here in the new text box, add some brief text, decrease the font size, change the color, then select these two text boxes, press Ctrl G to group. Now we need to select all of these and holding Ctrl Shift, drag them to right and it will be duplicated. Like this way, we have to make two more copy, and then to have some color variation, we have to change the color of this upper shape. Just to save your time, I'm doing the rest of the color changing part in fast forward mode. This is a really simple step, you just need to select and change the color. After changing all the colors, we'll have something like this. Now we'll add some icons, so go to Insert, click on Picture, and from here I'm taking these 4 icons. Then I'm placing these icons over each rectangle according to their color, so that they matches with those rectangle. Now select all of these and place them in the exact middle. Now from our previous slide, I'm just copying these two elements and paste over here. This time is for adding the animation. So first select this shape, go to Animation, click on Add Animation. From here, select Float In, and then set the duration 0.50 second. After that, select this group of shapes, click on Add Animation, select Float In again, set Start After Previous, duration 0.50 second and delay 0.25 second. Now select this text box, go to Add Animation, select Zoom, and set Start After Previous. Do the same for this icon, select Zoom, and set Start With Previous. Then we have to go for the next one, so select this shape, add Float In, set Start After Previous and duration 0.50 second. Now select this group of shapes, go to Add Animation again, select Float In, set Start After Previous, duration 0.50 second and delay 0.25 second. Now select this text box, go to Add Animation, select Zoom, set Start After Previous, and do the same for this icon again, select Zoom and set Start With Previous. In this way, we can animate the rest of the elements, but I will not do that. I'm gonna use the Animation Painter tool to copy and paste the animations. So first select this element, click on Animation Painter to copy the animation and paste it on it. Then select this group of shapes, click on Animation Painter and paste the animation. Do the same for this text box and for these icons. These are really simple steps. You just need to select the previous animated element, then click on Animation Painter to copy the animation and paste it on a new element. Here we are done with adding all the animations. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that all the animations are working perfectly.